Why choose one-pan 15-minute meals?
One-pan 15-minute meals are perfect for anyone who wants a nutritious home-cooked dish without spending hours in the kitchen. By using just one pan, cleanup is quick and easy. These meals help you fuel your body with wholesome ingredients, save time, and reduce stress, making healthy eating realistic even on the busiest days.
Healthy meal ideas, stir-fries.
A simple stir-fry is a classic one-pan meal. Sauté lean proteins like chicken, tofu, or shrimp with a variety of colorful vegetables. Add fresh garlic, ginger, and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce for flavor. Serve it over quick-cooking whole grains like quinoa or brown rice for a balanced, filling dinner with minimal effort.
Sheet pan dinners for balanced nutrition.
Sheet pan meals allow you to cook everything at once. Arrange sliced vegetables and your choice of protein, like salmon, chickpeas, or turkey, on a lined baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and herbs before roasting. The result: crisp veggies, tender protein, and no extra pans to wash.
One-pan breakfasts to start the day right.
A nourishing breakfast can also be made in one pan. Try a veggie scramble by cooking spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes in olive oil, then adding whisked eggs or egg whites. Top with a bit of cheese for flavor. One-pan breakfasts set you up with energy for the day with hardly any cleanup.
Tips for quick and healthy one-pan meals.
Extra space during the week. Use pre-washed veggies or frozen options to save time. Choose lean proteins and a variety of colorful plants to maximize nutrition. Experiment with different spice blends to keep things interesting, all while enjoying effortless cleanup.